the switch of the power. Turn it on. And as I showed you, this is the microscope. You can see the indentation mark through here. And this knob, as you can see, you may either to zoom in or to come here. And this is the knob that you can, while rotating, you can see here that the value will change. Okay, and this one is to, as I showed you, is to move the two lines either toward the right or toward the left or toward the right. Okay, and this is the start button, and when everything has been set, and then press this one, and there are two knobs here, and switching this, you can make the later on you will see the green light will be stronger or lighter while rotating this knob. And this is for the dwelling time, as I showed you, and for the indentation use. And here there's a step, I mean the procedure, step-by-step procedure, but however it's in Chinese, so if you can translate through some kind of app, just do it. If you do not, and then just listen to what I said, it's also fine. So first one to lower down, and this follows the left hand rule. So if you want to rotate downward, and then this way. So use the left hand rule to make sure that you should rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. Okay, and now I move it downward, and then to move this one. As you can see, a lot of indentation marks over here, but this is not done by this one. The mark that you can see here is because of the Rockwell testing. And for this one, the indentation mark caused by this, it is very tiny. That is why you have to use the microscope. Okay, and I think we will use this one. And as I said, the smoothest or even polished, with you can see some reflection light, and that is better. And then we will put it here, and then let's find a place that is very smooth with all the existed indentation marks far away from the place you want to indent. Okay, so I will try to adjust by myself, and later on each of you may come here and to rotate the stage by yourself, and then to feel it. Okay, you may have a look by yourself. Now it's already focused, and it's not easy. Use this one to focus here and to see. And as I said, one hand holding your cell phone and another hand to rotate the stage, and you will see how to focus it.
Do you want us to show that in our personal videos as well?
Hmm?
Do you want us to show this in our personal video as well, with the camera on the lens?
If you can. Not easy, but however, with one student operating, another student taking the video, I think is much more convenient.
Okay. So should I do it?
If you want, or you can have the other student to help you to rotate the stage. Not easy to focus, right? I suggest to use your naked eyes first, and when it's focused, and then to use the cell phone to to have a look. It's more convenient. Okay?
No.
No?
Well,
You can focus it?
I can see it if I look at it this way.
Yeah, it's good. Should I say that your cell phone is not good?
You can. It's not mine. That's the thing.
Anthony, try yours. His is very good.
This is
You
not
can,
mine.
you
This
can
is
see
Sick. Can I just do the thing? Turn
it's
it on?
good. You can see it's very clear.
Then I'll take a video of his.
Turn it this way.
Convenient.
What phone do you have though? It looks like the same.
What am I supposed to be looking at?
You
I'm
can.
not sure. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be looking at though.
As long as the surface is clear, and then it's okay.
Oh, okay.
It's like focusing of any microscope.
Oh, so like this?
Yes, it's good.
Okay.
Yes, it's good.
Okay. That looks even better.
Okay.
That
Good.
looks better.
It's the right dial, dog.
The right
watch out.
dial
Think,
controls
it has-
the lines.
So when aligning, this is a line. This is also a line. This is also aligned. So make the aligned two lines to be the narrowest.
Okay.
Okay, got
Yes.
it? And then which means that is in complete alignment. Okay. So now it's approximately to be in complete alignment, and then write down the value over here. So it is 999 around 668 to 9, so 999 6 8. So it will be larger when separate. Okay, so and after that, I think I will go on. Okay, after that, and then we may start, because if you find a place with no other indentation marks on all the other areas, and then okay, and then align it, and then switch to the indenter. You will hear. Okay, now I'll try this down, and then move here. And when you heard the sound, it means that it is you already turned to the right position. Okay, so and then let's adjust the thumb, the load thumb. knob. Sorry. So I think I will use 20. So you may have a look by yourself about the load knob.
So you gotta go on top.
At first, we will not. We have no idea that which load is more suitable or appropriate. So 20 is only just for our first try. So we don't know. So like I said, if it's not within the range of around 200 to 500 micrometer, and then we change to another one. Okay. So with everything set, press this one. Okay, just press it and you will hear the sound. Oh, of course, we have to set the timer. And as it is written here, the timer is approximately, the timer you set to be approximately 10 to 15. So now we set to around 15. It's fine. And don't be too short and don't be too long, because the longer tends to make the indentation mark to be bigger. For some plastic material, for elastic material, it doesn't matter too much. Okay, and then we start. And wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, it's finished. And with when the indentation test finished, we turn to the microscope and to find the indentation mark. I think I will have one of you to try, and another one to take the video, because it's much more convenient for you. Or you can finish to align to one. It's very clear. And but now it's not aligned, and then you have to use your left knob. Use the left knob to align it to one side of the diagonal.
Line left and right. So you want to put it right in the diagonal.
The other side, I think.
Yeah, keep moving it so that it lines up at the corners.
The next way.
No, he's going the right way. He's going the right way.
No.
Next.
It's to the
to the edge.
to
edge. Sorry.
to the edge.
To the left edge. Right. We record the first number, right?
The reading won't change if while rotating the left knob. Okay, so now it looks like it's aligned to one end, right? And use the right knob to adjust the span.
Wait, we record the number first, right?
You already recorded.
Okay.
The original number.
997 something. Can you see
So
the
go.
right number?
Yeah, go ahead.
Use the other one.
It's not the same number. I know. That's what I was saying. We should.
It's just a little bit different. Okay, you may use 971, right?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
0 and 1.
Okay. 971, and then okay, already recorded, very clear, and then to move
The right one, so it goes to the other end.
yes, to move it to the other side.
Should split.
Faster. Okay. So is it? I think it's fine. And
302.
by the way, Anthony,
Yeah.
observe that with your eyes
Okay.
to see whether is aligned or not.
Oh, looks pretty good.
Okay, great. And write down the reading
302.
and write it down. Do you have? Okay. Use this to write down because later on you have to calculate. Okay, and then the next step is to rotate around 90 degrees for the focus. I mean here to rotate it around 90 degrees and then measure again.
Does this also snap, sir?
Huh?
Does this also click in place the way that does, or does it just turn freely?
Just turn the two knob to.
No. I mean, when you turn this, right? Does
Yes.
it snap the same way this bottom piece does, or no?
You mean this one? No, you don't have to touch here.
Does
Nope.
this click into place at 90 degrees?
Yeah, 90, but it's just only approximate 90 degrees.
So it doesn't click.
How
You
to
have to decide on your own.
how to make sure that it's 90 degrees? Have a look through here, and then to here. The diagonal is approximately 90 degree to the two limit lines. Okay, Long Jiro, you may try to adjust first to align the two lines.
Just turn it. Use your eye and turn it. What? Use your eye and turn it to make it. Oh, yeah, I don't know if you can turn it with this though. All right, try it out, I guess.
That's not with the.
Here's
No,
definitely.
you have to turn the black first. So it's
Turn it a little bit
Two.
to the left.
Yeah.
the whole thing. This piece is.
Left.
Counterclockwise.
Left.
Counterclockwise.
A little bit more. A little more.
Look alright to you guys? Or no?
Align.
Bit more.
I think you touch the edge first, so that you can make sure that it's about vertical. Otherwise, it's not easy to make sure that it's absolutely vertical. Generally, the diagonal length will be the same. So now it looks like it's perfect. It's the same. Now, what you have to do is to make sure that it's vertical, so that you can make sure that the lengths are identical to the previous. So
Alright, you guys?
it's almost the same, right?
Okay.
Okay, if that is the case, you don't have to calculate again, and then if after that, I think that's finished your indentation.
That's crazy.
Okay, and after that, you have to turn it off here and turn off, and that's it.
Sick.
Okay, and then you have to calculate 302 and plus 68 is about 33, right? 32, right? So 302 plus 32 is around 334, and then 0.334 for both, and so make arithmetic average. I mean mean is also the same, and then insert to the calculator online, and then to get the HV. Okay, and then here there's a conversion table. Here's a conversion table. You can see here that you have we have HRC, and so far we have HRC. In fact, it's not just HRC. We have HRC, we have Vickers, we have a lot, Raynell, some others. So after you found out, I mean, you calculate about the Vickers. For example, if the answer is 340, and then 340 HV 340 equals to HRC 34.4. So this is how to convert from one to another hardness scale. Okay, so far for tiny tiny indentation hardness test, Vickers is more frequently used rather than Rockwell. But for industrial use, HRC is the most frequently used in the industry, HRC rather than the others. So if supposedly you don't have the HRC Rockwell tester, and all you have is this one, and then use this one to get the HRC. That's a compromised way. Okay, that's it.
Sir.